Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Darcy Gondagas here at Real Media, and people always ask me the same question over and over again when it comes to micro content on, especially on Instagram. And I see a lot of people who want to make a lot of money, who have conversion, get more clients, but you're not willing to pay for ads. So I don't know what you can on, like organic traffic is not enough, especially now in 2020 now. 4 or 5 years ago, it was possible to make it happen on Instagram, Facebook, even YouTube. But now, with the amount of people who try to compete to be able to get the eyeballs and the technology level will level up, I really want to advise you to go and do stuff overseas, not in the market. Go overseas because overseas certain market is cheaper, and you can make 5 or 7 times more money than targeting, some places in the United States. And it's like, how in the world I can reach more people overseas than the United States? Just click the link below and you will learn really how to go globally. Forget your zip code, forget your haters, man. Just make your money, make bilingual money. Make your money globally and you will never go back. I'm telling you, it's just nice to be able to make money in different currencies and places that you don't even know how to pronounce a name, but they know how to pay you, okay?